Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we're gonna change this mirror out today. Yes, we're gonna do this. Only problem is the one I got from LKQ, it is not powered. So that's what we have here. That's what we're dealing with. So gonna change that out, guys. Yeah. Yeah, wait, man, I caught COVID. Yeah, caught COVID, and that was the end of everything for that point. So hold on, let me get the rest of the stuff to start this thing. Start taking those bolts out. We have one here and one in here. So let's do that. Let's see what size that looked like to be about what 8mm, 9mm. Still got a little cough. No, that's a what? I don't know what that is. That's a 5/16. Okay, so let's get that off. Let's get it off. .516. What I said? 5/16. Yeah. Okay. Take it all the way off until I get this one out. Take this one all the way out. Hopefully don't drop it in the door. Okay. Didn't drop it. Okay. Now let's unscrew this one. I think we got 3 though. Yes. We got 3 of these screws we got to take out. 3 of them. Yeah, see on that mirror up there? 3. Okay, where's the other one? I think it's back here. Where is that 3rd one? Where's that 3rd one? Hold on, guys.
What I'm saying is, at the deepest point where I was walking, it probably came up to about 8 feet.
So yeah, the 3rd one is down here. Somewhere. Hold on. Let's see, it's down here somewhere. Yeah, it's right there. It's kind of dark. See it? Gotta get that out of there. Okay. The mosquitoes out here are terrible. Should have sprayed some mosquito pellet on me. So, okay. Got that 3rd screw out. Now let's unhook this. Should be able to pull it right on out. Yes. And there it is. If you look at this, it's like the same. So I was going to see if I can do repairs, but I think this piece right here hook directly to the mirror. These two plugs hook directly to the mirror. So now this mirror don't have any power, so I doubt it's gonna have those plugs, but it might. If it has those plugs, then we can change it out. But for this video, I don't know if I can do that right now. If I can just pop it out. If I can see. And I don't think now this mirror ain't gonna have no power connection. So we're gonna just put this on here just like so, guys. And for now, he's gonna have to adjust it by hand until we can get that power mirror. He'll be okay. Barely got it hanging on there. Then we put the first screw in. There we have it. Oh. We gotta get this first screw started. Okay. Now we in business. Now it's not gonna come off. Let me find this. Got it. Other screw. Now let's see if we can get this in here and back on without dropping the screw into the door. And we got it. It's on there. It's getting there. So, alright. Let's get the last screw in here. The rusted one. Yeah, it's rusted. Let's get it in there. Yeah, my son brought COVID into the house, guys. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Everybody in the house has COVID. So yeah, had us out of commission for a while. Had us out of commission for a while. Just now getting back to normal. Okay, just now. Torque this down a little bit. I don't have a torque wrench, I don't. But it's just a mirror, so you don't want to kill it. That should be good enough. It's good. That's good. By the way, this is Jeep Patriot. This is a Jeep Patriot. See if I'm right here. Yes. Yes, I am. This is a Jeep Patriot. And that is how you change passenger side rear view mirror on the door. Sure, it's not. You don't have the right one. You don't have the right mirror, but guess what? You just got to put it the way it fits him, and that's going to be perfect. We find another one at LKQ, then we'll change it out, and he'll be great. Yep. That's how you change the mirror on a 2010 Jeep Patriot. I believe it goes all the way down to 2007 and all the way up to, I think, 15 or 16. I'm not sure. Probably go all the way up to whatever, but I see it and I'll post what year it goes from 7 to 18. I don't know, one of them years. But that's all for this video, guys. Got the mirror on, looks good. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one where we will be back in the yard. Peace.